In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an ACH payment with Bank of America in 25. Whether you're an individual or a business user, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your payment goes exactly where it should. Let's begin our journey by logging into your Bank of America account. You can do this by visiting bankofamerica.com on your computer, or if you prefer, by opening the Bank of America app on your mobile device. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in using your online ID and passcode. Make sure you enter your information carefully, as this will ensure a smooth and secure login experience. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find the Transfer a Zelle or Bill Pay option on your home screen. Tap on this section to begin. Here, you'll be able to select either Make a Transfer, or for those of you with business accounts, Pay from Business Account. This selection is essential as it determines the options you'll have for sending your ACH payment. The next step is choosing External Account, or ACH Transfer. If you haven't yet added your recipient, this is the moment to do so. Tap on Add Account and carefully enter the recipient's routing and account numbers. Double check these details because accuracy here is crucial to ensure your funds reach the intended destination. After adding your recipient, choose ACH Transfer or the option for a business-to-business B2B payment, if that applies to your situation. Now it's time to enter the payment details. Start by typing in the amount you wish to send. Then choose which account you'd like to send the payment from. You'll also get to decide on the delivery speed. The standard ACH delivery typically takes 1 to 3 business days. If you have a specific reason for the payment, like an invoice number or a personal note, now's the time to include that as well. Before submitting the payment, take a moment to review everything. Carefully check the recipient's details. Ensuring they're correct is vital, because any errors could divert your funds to the wrong account. Once you are satisfied that all the information is accurate, you can tap Confirm or Submit Payment. Upon completing this, you will receive a confirmation number and potentially an email receipt. Keep this information safe as it serves as proof of your transaction. Rest assured, your payment will begin processing through the ACH network, and you should typically see it complete within 1 to 3 business days. By following these steps, you can confidently send an ACH payment using Bank of America, knowing each part of the process and what to expect right up to when the transaction completes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your banking tasks a little easier.